Let's look at this problem. ABCD is a pentagon inscribed in a circle of radius 2 units. The diagonals AD and BE are perpendicular to each other. Then find the maximum area of the pentagon. So, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. So, O is center of the circle, and they are saying the radius of the circle is 2 units. So, it means OA, OB, OC, OD, OD, OE is equal to 2 units. So, to solve this, and there is one more thing which is given. Let us say at this point we will call it as F. So, AFB is equal to angle AFE is equal to angle BFD is equal to angle EFD is equal to pi by 2, 90 degrees. This is also given. So, to solve this, we will assume the angles FBA and FAB. So, assume angle FBA and angle FAB. So, angle FBA is equal to theta, FAB is equal to phi. And if you look at triangle AFB, so FBA is theta, this is phi. So, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So, sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So, we have one right angle, so which is 90. So, theta plus phi is equal to 180. So, theta plus phi is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which is 90 degrees. So, this is relation 1. They are connected by this relation theta and phi. So, if they are theta and phi, so let us see the circle. So, if you see the circle, and if you look at the pentagon, A, B, C, D, E, so AD and BE are perpendicular, and this angle is theta, this angle is phi. Okay. Let us say if I look at this chord AE, so AE is a chord subtending an angle theta on the circumference, theta on the circumference. So, at the center it will make an angle 2 theta. So, angle AOE is equal to 2 theta. So, O is this. Okay. And then see this AD is one, I mean if I consider BD as another chord, BD, considering BD as another chord, so BD is subtending an angle of phi on the circumference. So, at the center it will make an angle of 2 phi. So angle BOD is equal to 2 phi. So remaining angles we want, right? So angle BOD plus angle DOE plus angle EOA plus AOB is equal to 360 degrees, because it's a full angle. So angle BOD is 2 phi, angle DOE we don't know, angle EOA is AOE 2 theta plus AOB is equal to 360. So 2 theta plus 2 phi will be 180, because theta plus phi is 90. So angle DOE plus angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 180, which is 180. So I'll assume angle DOE is equal to alpha, angle AOB will be 180 minus alpha. So if I want to write area of triangles now, area of pentagon in terms of area of triangles. So area of pentagon is equal to, so we have 5 triangles, right? EOA, AOB, BOC, COD and DOE. So area of triangle is half OE into OA into sine of angle. So angle into side length into side length into sine of angle between the two sides. So this is half OA, that length is 2, OE is 2, OA is 2, sine 2 phi, sine 2 theta, that is sine 2 theta, right? So and then AOB we are considering as pi 180 minus alpha. So half 2 into 2 into sine 180 degree minus alpha plus half 2 into 2 into sine alpha, because for triangle DOE, and for triangle DOC and COB, so DOB is 2 phi. So COD and BOC makes an angle of phi each, because this length is 1, this length is 1, so this length is 1. So this is phi and this is also phi. So this is half 2 into 2 into sine phi plus half 2 into 2 into sine phi. So what we have now is, so 2 will get cancelled in each and every term. So 2 sine 2 phi, 2 theta, 2 sine 2 theta, and here 2 sine alpha, because sine 180 minus alpha is sine alpha. This is also 2 sine alpha. This 2 sine phi, 2 sine phi, 4 sine phi. So phi is nothing but 90 minus theta. So if I write this here, 4 cos theta I will get. So 2 sine 2 theta plus 4 cos theta plus 4 sine alpha. So if area is maximum, then this alpha and theta are independent variables. So alpha should be maximum and this expression should be maximum. So if alpha is to be maximum, only sine alpha is there. Here we have theta as 2 terms, but sine alpha is there. So if area is maximum, implies alpha equal to pi by 2. So it means area is equal to 4 plus 2 into, so if I write sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta cos theta, so we'll get 4 cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. So we have to make this maximum. So f of theta is equal to cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. So if I want to make this maximum, f dash theta should be 0. So what is f dash theta? Cos theta into 1 differentiation is 0, sin is cos theta plus 1 plus sin theta into minus sin theta is equal to 0, because cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So if I solve this, so what we get is sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So area maximum is equal to 4 plus 4 into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 into cos theta root 3 by 2. So which is 4 plus 3 root 3 square units. So area is maximum at the rate theta is equal to pi by 6, alpha is equal to pi by 2. So if theta equal to pi by 6 and then alpha equal to pi by 2, phi is equal to pi by 3, we have maximum area of pentagon.